In this video, we will learn how to import datasets from USGS. USGS is one of the most robust datasets that has almost all the necessary data that we might use for US. So here you can see this link. I'll post this link in the description below. And you can create an extent to kind of find your specific dataset. You can import different types of map geometry, but you can also create a rectangular, polygonal, or point extent. So let's create a rectangular extent, and let's say I want something within Dallas. So I'll zoom in, and let's say I want to create a boundary over here. Now I need to show this website exactly what data I'm looking for. Let's say I am looking for elevation products that's generated from 3D. So 3D elevation program products and services. Let's click on that. And here I have different types of DEM. So let's say I want 1 meter DEM. So let's try to find all those. So here I have 1 meter DEM selected, and file format can be GeoTIFF. So now if I search for products, it will present me with one tile. If this place was larger, you'll be presented with more than a tile, and then you need to download. So here you can see if I hover over this, it shows me exactly where this is. If I want it to make visible, I can just click on it and then it will remain visible. But right now I don't want that. I want to download this. To download, you'll click on this add to cart icon, and then you'll go to your cart and then download. Previously I have added a bunch of other stuff. I should have deleted all those, but yeah, that's exactly how you you download. So you click on other format TIFF, and then it will start to download. So that's how you download different types of imagery from USGS.